When one is quiet and we all sad, we make the moment be surprised. We share the things that we all have. This is the reason why we laugh. Tampuhan, iyakan, asaran at kulitan, at kwento tungkol kakaiba. Together forever, sama-sama sa lungkot at saya. When we go all together, pagkakaibigan ay ayos na, for you and for together forever, sama-sama sa lungkot